Fix PowerPoint not responding 2025 solutions. 8. Restart PowerPoint and your PC. Close PowerPoint using Task Manager, Control plus Shift plus Escape End Task. Restart your computer. 2. Open PowerPoint in safe mode. This disables add-ins and customizations. How? Press Windows plus R, type PowerPoint safe, press Enter. If it opens correctly, the issue might be caused by an add-in. 3. Disable PowerPoint add-ins. Steps. Open PowerPoint. Go to File Options Add-ins. At the bottom, select COM add-ins, click Go. Uncheck all add-ins, click OK. Restart PowerPoint normally. 4. Update Microsoft Office. Make sure your version of PowerPoint is up to date. Steps. Go to File Account Update Options, update now. 5. Repair Office installation. Steps. Go to Control Panel Programs and Features. Find Microsoft Office, right-click, choose Change. Select Quick Repair first. If that doesn't work, try Online Repair, requires internet. 6. Check for Windows updates. Sometimes missing system updates cause Office issues. How? Go to Settings, Windows Update, check for updates. 7. Delete the Office font cache. Corrupted font cache can cause crashing or freezing. Steps. Press Windows plus R, type %localhost data %Microsoft Office 16.0 Office font cache, press Enter. Delete all files inside this folder. Note 16.0 is for Office 2016 to 2021 and Microsoft 365. Yours might vary. 8. Disable Hardware Graphics Acceleration. Steps. Go to File Options Advanced. Scroll to Display. Check Disable Hardware Graphics Acceleration. Click OK and restart PowerPoint. Now, try another user profile. Sometimes your Windows user profile is corrupted. Test. Create a new user account. Try opening PowerPoint under that account. Thus, reinstall Microsoft Office. If none of the above work, uninstall Office from Settings apps. Download and reinstall it from your Microsoft 365 account.